In this video, we're going to learn what computer networking is, how it works, and why it's so important in our daily lives. We'll also explore different types of networks, devices involved, and how data travels from one computer to another. So, if you've ever wondered how the internet actually works, or how your devices talk to each other, then this video is for you. Imagine you're sending a message to your friend using a computer or phone. But wait, how does your message reach them? Is there an invisible link? Yes, kind of. That invisible link is called a computer network. It's what connects computers, phones, and other devices so they can talk to each other. Without computer networking, we wouldn't have the internet, social media, online games, or even school Zoom classes. So, what exactly is computer networking? Computer networking is when two or more computers or devices like phones and tablets are connected together to share information, files, and resources. These devices can share data like text messages, videos, or pictures. They can also share hardware like printers or internet connections. A network allows all this to happen quickly and smoothly. Think of it like this. Imagine computers are like people sending letters to each other. But instead of walking over to each other's houses, they use a delivery service. The computer network is like that delivery system. It picks up the message from one device and delivers it to another. Just like a postal service connects houses in a city so people can send letters and packages, a network connects devices so they can send messages, videos, files, and more. Without a network, a computer would be like a house with no roads, no way to send or receive anything. Now let's talk about how networks are built. To make a computer network, you need a few important parts. First, you need devices. These are things like computers, tablets, phones, and even printers. Second, you need network equipment like routers, switches, and cables. These devices help connect everything together and make sure the data goes to the right place. You also need something called a protocol. A protocol is like a set of rules that devices follow to understand each other. The most common one is called TCP/IP, which stands for Transmission Control Protocol, Internet Protocol. Now let's learn about the types of networks. There are several types of computer networks, but let's talk about the most common ones in simple words. The first one is LAN or local area network. This type of network connects devices in a small area, like in your home, school, or office. If you have Wi-Fi at home, your computer, phone, and tablet are probably part of a LAN. They are all connected to the same router. The second one is a WAN or wide area network. This connects devices over large distances. The internet is the biggest example of a WAN. It connects millions of computers all over the world. So, when you send a message to a friend in another country, you're using a WAN. Another type is MAN or Metropolitan Area Network. This is bigger than a LAN but smaller than a WAN. It usually connects buildings in a city like schools, offices, or hospitals. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on that like button if you like my video. Also click on that notification bell. Thank you. Now let's talk about how data moves in a network. When you send a message or open a website, your data travels in tiny pieces called packets. These packets move from your device to the destination through cables, routers, and switches. It's kind of like sending a puzzle. Each packet is one piece of the puzzle. When all the packets reach the other device, they are put back together to show the full message or video. The devices that help move the data include router. It connects your home network to the internet and directs data where to go. Switch. It connects multiple devices in a LAN and helps them share information. Modem. It brings the internet from your service provider into your home. Now you'll be thinking, are router and modem the same thing? Because when you look at its images, they look similar to each other. So the answer is Modems and routers often look similar, and sometimes they're even combined into one device, but they're not the same thing. So, modem connects your home to the internet, while router shares the internet with all your devices. The device that helps move the data is a firewall. It keeps your network safe by blocking unwanted access. Before we move further, let me tell you about our website, where we offer multiple services along with plenty of IT-related courses. Make sure to check out our website. The link is in the description box. Let's talk about the importance of networking. Without computer networks, we wouldn't be able to do so many things we take for granted. You wouldn't be able to watch YouTube, send emails, play online games, or attend online classes. Even banks, hospitals, and airports depend on networks to function. Networking makes everything faster, easier, and more connected. Here's another fun way to understand it. Imagine you want to share a funny video with your friend. Without a network, you would have to copy it to a USB drive, walk over to their house, and give it to them. But with a network, you just press send and it reaches them in seconds, even if they are in a different country. That's the power of computer networking. Computer networking also helps save time and money. Offices don't need to buy one printer for every person. Instead, they connect all computers to one printer using a network. Schools can share study materials and homework easily using online systems. Let's look at some common uses of computer networking in our daily lives. Communication, sending emails, chatting on WhatsApp, and video calling. Sharing files, uploading and downloading photos, music, and videos. Accessing the internet, browsing websites, streaming shows, using apps. Online learning, attending online classes, or using educational platforms. Gaming, playing multiplayer games with friends across the world. Business, running websites, online stores, and sharing company data. Now that we understand what computer networking is, let's quickly go over some benefits. Speed. Data moves fast from one device to another. Sharing, you can share files, printers, and internet with many devices. Communication, easy chatting, calling, and messaging. Flexibility, you can use your device from different places. Collaboration, people can work together even if they are far apart. But just like anything else, there are some challenges too. Sometimes networks can be slow or not working at all. This can happen if too many people are using it at the same time, or if a cable is broken. Also, if a network is not protected, someone might try to steal your data. That's why it's important to keep networks secure using passwords and firewalls. Let's finish by talking about how networks are getting better. Today we have wireless networks that don't need cables. Wi-Fi lets us connect to the internet without wires. And with 5G and fiber optics, internet speed is getting faster and better every day. Smart homes, online gaming, and even virtual reality are all made possible with strong computer networks. In the future, we will see even more amazing things thanks to networking. Cars will talk to each other to avoid accidents. Doctors will help patients from far away. And students will attend school from anywhere in the world. So now you know computer networking is the magic behind almost everything we do with technology. It helps us talk, share, learn, and have fun. It connects the world and makes it feel like one big, happy village. Now you can proudly say you understand how computer networks work and why they matter so much. So thanks for watching, and let's keep learning together.